Yeah, can you just grab my glasses up by the TV real quick?
내가 어제서
Go.
Milton got your back.
Try this again.
Oh
Let's
man,
go.
why would you spawn all the way on the other side of the map?
That's right. Stay down. Get this guy right here. Put this guy right here. Slam him. Stomp, 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 stomp. Dang, I got slapped.
With all that Roblox aura coming out of you, but you don't have the empty.
Who is he talking to?
Oh wait, me?
Oh, dang, it's got drop kick.
What they're getting dropped by this guy?
So where is everybody?
Ooh, I'm low health. I'm sorry, I don't know if I can get this guy. One hit. Go on, Matthew, you got this.
I'm coming right here.
Come on, get him.
How in the world? What? No ways. No ways. Man. Go to sleep. Ugly haircut.
Grabbing a trash can and whoop, right off your head.
These blonde hairs like that.
These bacon hairs. Oh, he's saying please, please, please. He said please.
Who?
This guy right here, this one with the headphones. He's saying please.
Like, please leave him alone.
Yeah, he's like crying emoji, please.
Okay, leave him alone. Leave him alone. Leave him alone. Go. Let's go. If I see these guys over here.
Right.
Who?
Milton, you're gonna die. Careful. Here, take this one, Milton.
I don't know why they beg you to please, please, but they don't keep record of your losses. Like, what the heck?
Say please, he gives up, you win.
Yeah, we
Nah,
like.
but watch this, watch this, watch this, watch this though, watch this though.
This guy. Oh, they got sight blind, bro. Why you sight blind me, Santa Claus? Your fashion's so outdated. Christmas not even yet. Come over here. See, that's what happened.
We don't beg in this game. You
Come on, everybody, regroup, regroup. Where's Chance at? Oh, they coming right here. Let's go, let's go. I got the flower here. Whoop, let's go for a ride. Boom, he got slapped. Let's go. You got slapped, slapped, slapped. Whoop, let's go for a ride again.
He's watching. He just wants to watch this guy.
Oh, snap. Okay, okay, I'm coming back up. Boom, boom.
What is with this hair?
Boom.
Behind me. Why is my hits not hitting? Okay, he's saying please, Matthew, but I know you don't care.
I'll let him slide.
I know. Look at that. Yeah, that's right. Oh, this guy.
Oh, I'm getting attacked from the
I want to suplex this guy. Come on. What, you scared? Running away? Come on, let's go. Oh, that guy ran away. He's going to come back from the back. Watch. Wow, anybody want to mess with us, Samoan? Come. Wow, you guys too. Dang, that guy flew. Come. Come on. Push. See?
I'm gonna die.
That's what happened. I would stay locked in, everybody. Stay locked in together. All we need is chance to.
He's worshipping us right now.
Let's stay locked
I
in.
need the help though.
Just add him to the group already.
He's like.
Not our clan. Just add him to our group already.
Milton, invite him to our group. He's like He's like saying like, "Strong, please don't kill me. I'm just trying to pass through and stuff." He wants to be with us. That's why.
Well, you're not joining the clan. We gotta be Samoan.
He don't look.
We're coming around the corner.
He's following us just like that.
We're going around the corner.
I think he's trying to report.
Right there, right there. Boom. Oh, we missed them. Right there, right there. They're right there. Let's go for a ride. Look, they're running away now. They can't handle us. That's right. See? See what happened?
They're grabbing chairs and trash cans.
Let them grab them. We're just gonna fussy them.
I need to go.
Oh, so Matthew, dang, this guy just bomb rushed him.
Stop running from me.
This guy just bombed
There's
me.
three of you guys.
I know, only Matt, so we gotta back up Matthew if they're gonna. Bing, 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 bing. Oh, okay, you took me for a ride. Nice, nice. Respect. And then you dance over him like this.
That's to make them mad and come back.
Let me go dance over him. Wee, 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 wee.
Oh my trash can.
So that's what you do to make him mad. Dance right over him when they're on the ground. Ooh.
That look like
Let me see. Where you guys at? Oh, so I'm coming. Right here. Swoop. Oh, he dodged that one. Let's go. Oh wait, who's that? Santa Claus guy? Oh. Oh, this chance. Hey, chance is here. Okay, my bad. Hey, add chance. Oh, yep. Huh? Hers. Go for a ride. Bing, bing, and dance. Where's the rest of the crew? We gotta regroup. Let's go regroup. Get him now. Get him. Dang, I just got dropped. Hey, he's standing up for him. He's doing good. Not so good. Everybody dance over him. Dance over him. Oh, put it on the charger.
Milton, invite this guy in.
Yeah, invite the headphones guy. Milton. What's his name?
John, Cope, son.
Yeah, John something. Yeah, look at that. Ooh, someone crazy, someone running the school fight server again. If you think your client can hang with us, one on gang versus gang, then show up with your gang on school fight.
You know the guy with the headphones?
Huh?
Yeah. It's like with his bodyguards though, because he's like, please protect me or please I will do it.
Hey, at least these guys got part to come right back. As long as I don't see freaking Griffin. Peter Griffin. That guy one punch power, man. Take that chair and just smack that guy. Chance, you threw that chair?
Stop. I heard police crying.
Got the cat meowing or police crying?
Dang, I think he's dead.
Okay.
He's not getting back up.
Alright. I'm gonna go get some food at the cafeteria. Hey, let's walk together. Regular, no fist. Let your hands go swing. You're just walking. By the way, if you're watching this video, Jesus is the way, the truth, and the life. He's King of Kings, Lord of Lords. If you're feeling depressed, anxiety, call upon Jesus. He's gonna help get it away from you. Thanks for watching. Yeah. Oh, Nat asked if you could invite her back to the party.
Mention invite mention back on Zoom. And what? Let Nail back in.
I'm just gonna be the cameraman. I'm trying to. That's why everybody gotta stick together so I have good footage.
Leave her, Mention, leave her.
That guy got blasted by the trash can. I'm just getting the video cameras. Then he got powerbombed. Look what happened. See, if you think your clan can hang with crazy Samoans, come. Look how crazy we are. Oh, look. Everybody's just going crazy over here. Look. They just got jumped. Dang. Oh, PvP, everything's gonna be gone if you guys go in there. Dang, the windows. Milton bust the windows? What in the world? He just made his own door. Alright. You gotta send a re-invite again. Dang. Come on, Milton. Let's go. Let's go, Milton. You got this. Hey, he quit. Good job. Oh, this guy. He's bobbing, weaving. Alright. Oh, he disappeared.
Oh, he left.
Oh, after he dropped a guy over here. Hey, what happened to you? Oh, what happened? Oh, dang. Now I'm gonna just swing this over here. I wasn't even in fight mode. That's kind of sweet. Hey, let's go check out the cafeteria. Oh, huh? Oh, did we clear the server? Let's check the server real quick. Oh, dang, we cleared the server.
Another people right here.
Solid fighting.
They're just fighting this guy over here.
Everybody's like, man, let's screw this. Let's get out of here. These guys are bullies. Here it comes. Oh,
I won.
oh, Terry, what was that? Silly. Knock me right over. I'm gonna grab a cat cherry. Everybody grab something. Grab something. I'm gonna grab this chair.
Stop everybody's head.
Coming with my chair, and I'm gonna make everybody sit down with their head. Starting with Matthew. Eat. Watch me dodge this trash can. Go, watch me dodge it. Woo! Woo! Like, hey! See? Dodge it. Now, your turn to dodge this. Eat! Oh, throw it. Throw it at me. I'm gonna dodge it. Eh, oh. Hey. Grab me another chair. See? Oh, Chance, watch out! Oh, trash can. Trash can. Grab this trash can over here. Grab another chair. Let's go over here. Stand back up and eat this chair. What? You like get slapped, huh? Go listen to me, okay? Yeah, smell my feet. Eat. Oh, trash can right here. I wonder what else they're gonna add. They need to start adding jumping. You know what I mean? Add jumping in here. That'll be fun. You guys want to find another server or
No, don't add. There's a reason why there's no jumping right now.
why?
Stand jumpers. People
Huh?
stand up, it's hard to kick them or punch them if they're standing.
Oh yeah. Bitch, the janitor, please get away. Oh, yeah. Niels is a janitor too.
What was that?
Where's everybody else?
I hit the trash can app. So we knocked the trash cans at the same time. We both hit each other in the head.
Oh, oh, right here. Now, can you play mine? So I need the video camera. I'm live.
Ow, that's
Now,
my phone.
now, grab this. Just put your phone down. Put it down. Cause I'm streaming. Everybody's just gonna watch me standing there. You need a good footage.
What?
Just follow. Just make sure to follow the rules.
Yeah. Hey, get over here. Oh, what the heck? Hey, let me get into my punching mode.
No, grab the chairs and the trash can. That's the whole theme of this video
Alright.
for the new update. Yeah, that's what it meant. And then I need you to take a picture of me holding a trash can. Or somebody. Grab a picture of someone holding a trash can. Because I need it for the thumbnail.
What the heck? What the heck?
Turn the camera face to you. Or show the trash can. And take a picture of him.
I'm trying to go to mine right now because I'm just gonna.
Huh? I know. Go out the window.
He's right there. No. Yeah. Basically. I threw trash can at his head, and then I punched him one time, and he died.
Regroup with everybody else.
Okay.
I need a group
Oh,
picture.
what the heck? What the heck, Milton?
And then if someone holding a trash can you
Who wants to volunteer to be the thumbnail?
hey, everybody grab a chair and a trash can since the server's empty. And then group picture.
Group picture in the cafeteria.
Everybody. It's for the thumbnail for this video.
Should we do it in between the vending machines?
Yeah.
That's a dummy. The dummy. We're in the cafeteria. Pick up a trash can on your way. Grab a chair or a trash can. We're gonna do the thumbnail. Wait. Oh, what about me? I'm not gonna be in there. Oh,
Let's get I just need you guys. It's fine. And even if you're not in there, I just need
alright.
some pictures.
Line up in between the vending machine.
I don't think you know how to do it. Everybody pose right over here. Everybody stand with chances. Wait, I gotta put my chair down because I'm the one taking the picture. I'm actually gonna use Chance for the main thumbnail. Hold on, Chance. I want to use this picture right here. So the picture of Chance. Hold on, Chance. Don't move. You guys are not.
I know, Milton. I figured that out too.
Okay, I made a group picture. Everybody stand with Chance.
Oh, I thought we were gonna stand in between the vending machines.
Oh, Chance, move over there by these guys with the carrying that, so I could take a pictures.
I think to be inside the picture.
No, stand right here. Stand right here so the cafeteria's word isn't behind you guys. Yeah, face me. Face me. Face me, guys. Oh, okay. That's it right there. I gotta do it quick before you guys get beat up. Okay, one. Everybody say jeez. Okay.
Wait.
All right, that's good.
Get over here now.
Yeah, that's a good picture. All right, here, now back to my controller.
I'll go hide in the freezer. Hold on.
Say cheese, headphones guy.
John. That's John. No, I'm good.
Um,
Oh. Ew. You're freaking at me. Look at him staring at me. Hi, Baba. I'm gonna see if he is outside right now. What else? Weird. Yeah. Yeah. Leah back inside because
what time this guy's gonna be home?
we just got off work.
All right, this I'm gonna end the. I'm gonna stop streaming. You guys want to do anything else since we cleared the server?
Join a new server and use everyone else again? Or go to a different
Honest, how much minutes have I been streaming?
I don't know.
Hold on, let me check. Oh,
I think
30 minutes. Hey, that's not bad. Okay, I'm stopping. Thank you for watching. Please join us again for our next stream of family gaming. And yeah, what a way to end it with Milton Fossing in the
I'm
background.
gonna get you back, Milton.
All right. Thank you.